Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to purchase the Brett Memecoin using dextools.io. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so we're going to be using dextools.io, but before we begin, we need to install a wallet called Coinbase Wallet. It's the only way to purchase Brett on DexTools using Base. So if you haven't got the Coinbase wallet, I'll just quickly show you how to get it. So go to Google, type in Coinbase wallet extension, then hit search. Then you want to click on from the Chrome web store.google.com Coinbase wallet extension. Click on add to Chrome. It says remove because I've already got it installed. Add to Chrome and then create a new account and go through the process. Very straightforward. There's videos on YouTube if you're not sure how to do that, or just log in if you already got an account. And once you've done that, come back over to dextools.io and then you want to go ahead and connect that wallet. So click on connect. And if I go back here, connect again, not sure what happened there. Alright, so connect your wallet with DexTools to access new features, etc, etc. And there's my Coinbase wallet there, so I'm going to click on Coinbase, and now a pop-up will appear because you're logged into your Coinbase wallet on Google Chrome. And now put in your password and click on unlock, and now you want to connect. So here it is here, and now asking me to redo it, so I'm going to unlock with password. Alright, unlock again, connect. Bit of a glitch, I guess. And now if we come back here, so wallet's connected, and then verify your wallet into DexTools. So go ahead and click on verify, and now you want to sign this to verify, and now we're good to go. So you can see we're logged in using Base. Now you want to search for the Brett Memecoin. So click in the search, type in Brett. And now we want to make sure we get the right Brett Memecoin, because as you can see there's a million other Bretts out here. So the correct Brett Memecoin is Brett, starts with OX532, and if we click into it, it's got a pretty large market cap, as you can see, 772 million market cap. It's got a 99 dex score. It's got close to 600,000 holders at time of recording. And now in order to get the Brett Memecoin, we need to swap Ethereum over for it. So wrap ever for Brett. So if you go back to your wallet, your Coinbase wallet, make sure you've got enough Ethereum in here to make the purchase, or USD. So we can choose, if we click the drop down here, we're going to be using wrapped Ethereum, but you can use USDC if you want as well. Yeah, so make sure put in some Ethereum into your wallet, and then this will be updated, and then transfer whatever amount of Ethereum for Brett. So as you can see, my balance is this amount, and I'll get 9.89 Bretts, but it says insufficient funds pretty much because I don't have any money in this wallet. This is a demo account to show you how to purchase Brett Memecoin using dextools.io.